Whether you maintain large aircraft or small, commercial or military, fixed wing or helicopters, one of the most challenging tasks is removing and replacing aircraft finishes. The Flashjet coatings removal process, developed in the early 1990s by the Boeing Company, provides the 21st century answer to aircraft decoating needs. Exhaustively tested on a wide variety of aircraft surface materials and coatings, the Flashjet process is cost-efficient, reliable, safe, and environmentally friendly. The removal of old surface coatings for refinishing has traditionally been hazardous and time-consuming. Solvent methods not only required pre- and post-cleaning and degreasing, they were often accompanied by human inconsistencies that affect aircraft appearance and performance. And the chemicals required to dissolve modern aircraft finishes are volatile, toxic, inhalation hazards, requiring a sealed work environment and water treatment facilities. The dangers of fire and explosion were ever present, and government regulation for the disposal of toxic wastes added heavily to decoating costs. Typical blast media decoaters are very inefficient at abrading coatings. Dust may create an explosion hazard and has been known to contaminate the interior of a large aircraft with as much as 2,000 pounds of residue. Precision of this method is limited and multiplies the volume of residual solid waste. The Flashjet process solves all these problems to provide decoating that is fast, safe to personnel and the environment, reliable, and so precise that you can choose to remove coatings all the way down to the substrate or remove only the surface coating, leaving the primer intact. The Flashjet coatings removal process accomplishes what other methods can't by applying sophisticated, exhaustively tested technology to a basically simple premise. The xenon light vaporizes the coating, and what remains is removed with a non-toxic, self-eliminating dry ice pellet. The Flashjet process uses pulsed high-intensity light to break the internal molecular bonds of the coating, converting it to a near gaseous state, a process known as ablation. Simultaneously, the surface is bombarded by a stream of dry ice pellets that instantaneously cool and clean it, sweeping away remaining coating residue. In the process, the pellets sublimate into non-toxic carbon dioxide gas, and the residue is vacuumed away through an effluent capture system. This system contains filters that separate the ash and coating solids from the effluent stream. HEPA air filters capture the finest particles. Activated charcoal captures any remaining organic vapors from the ablated coating, and the remaining clean mixture of the air and carbon dioxide gas is safely vented to the atmosphere. The remaining particulate material is trapped in the airtight filter compartment. Waste disposal costs are typically reduced by 90% or more, also eliminating costly wastewater treatment equipment. For added precision and efficiency, the entire Flashjet process is automated through a state-of-the-art robotic manipulator and process controller. The design and size of the robotics is dictated by the application, including fixed gantry, four-wheel mobile systems, or even truck-mounted for added flexibility to conveniently remove coatings from any size aircraft. A robot control computer is programmable to remember the exact shapes and configurations of the various aircraft components and establish stripping paths. Once the paths are learned, they can be saved and recalled for future use on other aircraft of the same model. Multiple safety interlock systems protect the aircraft surface, the operator, and persons working in the stripping area. The only precautions needed in the vicinity of the Flashjet coatings removal process is normal shop hearing and vision protection. The Flashjet process stripping head contains the high-energy xenon flash lamp, the carbon dioxide pellet nozzle, and the intake for the effluent capture system. Optical sensors monitor the depth of coating removal and vary the flash energy output for efficient and even coating ablation. The Flashjet process can strip at rates up to 4 square feet per minute with no pre- or post-surface cleaning required. This results in a savings of $10 to $15 per square foot as compared with chemical stripping and dry media blast methods. Annual operating costs of the Flashjet process is a fraction of the competing ablatement systems. An independent U.S. government comparison demonstrates the dramatic savings of the Flashjet process over PMB. And the Flashjet process can be installed with minimal modifications to almost any facility. The typical Flashjet coatings removal process installation consists of 6 subsystems: the flash lamp stripping head assembly, the automated robotic manipulator, the process controller, the external effluent capture system, a carbon dioxide pelletizer and blast unit, and the flash lamp power supply. But the proof of the product is in its performance, and the Flashjet process has been providing fast, safe, environmentally friendly decoating by the U.S. military on a variety of aircraft since 1996, and is now available to the world. A basic ordering agreement for the Flashjet process has been established by the United States government for all branches of the military. Approved and in use at the following locations: Corpus Christi Army Depot, Naval Air Station, Corpus Christi, Texas; Naval Air Station, Kingsville, Texas; Warner Robins Air Logistics Center, Robins Air Force Base, Georgia; Boeing Helicopter Systems, Mesa, Arizona. Exhaustive testing by the United States Army, Navy, Air Force, and commercial aircraft manufacturers has proven the process safe for use on aluminum honeycomb core materials, as well as carbon, boron, fiberglass, and Kevlar epoxy composites. The process has also been certified by the FAA as a viable paint stripping process. This thorough and even one-step decoating process has been used extensively on a variety of military helicopters and tested effectively on rotor blade paint ablatement, and has been used to successfully remove specialty coatings on the B-2 stealth bomber structure. This revolutionary system has many benefits for airlines, military maintenance organizations, third-party maintenance contractors, and OEMs, including low operating cost, reliability, and environmental compliance. And a variety of leasing options are available through FlashTech that eliminate capital budget issues. The Flashjet coatings removal process is the decoating process for the 21st century. Exhaustively tested and approved, and in use by the Army, Navy, Air Force, and commercial carriers. Efficient, economical, environmentally compliant, safe on all substrates. The Flashjet process, the start of a new finish.